was my afternoon.
Welcome back, everyone. My name is James Orton. I am with the 2024 BMW 330e xDrive. This has got 101 horsepower from an electric motor and 187 horsepower from the 2-liter 4-cylinder. Total horsepower output is 288, and you got a 0 to 60 time in 5.4 seconds, so no slouch whatsoever. This with the Cognac perforated Sensitech. Usually if you're checking out a hybrid, you might come across a compromised trunk area. However, BMW does a nice job of splitting up the space. So what you're left with is a decent amount of space for overnight bags, storage, accessories. You can split that, as you can see. But you also have the 40-20-40 split seat, which make things convenient for foursome still to go and extra cargo through the middle. The whole reason I wanted you to look at this option is because if somewhere along the line you get ready for a hybrid or just getting into electrical space for automobiles, this is a nice option. BMW gives you the fast flexible charger. So if you're going level 2 or just level 1, which would be plugging into your home outlet. So if you don't want to commit to a home charger, level 2, you can plug this in at home, charge it overnight. So standard 330 is running about 250 horsepower. You'll get 30 plus more horsepower out of the 330e. You also have regenerative braking, sending power back to charge the battery. And within that braking system, you have features on the standard 3 Series, brake fade compensation, so the pedal will always feel linear. You also have brake drying, which will bring the calipers in close to the disc, dry them off if it senses moisture. Some of the best brakes in the industry. And you even have launch control on the 330e. On boost, you also get some harmonious tones from the audio system, letting you know that it's moving fast. Let's check that out. So you'll have electric mode, hybrid mode, and sport mode in your dynamic driving modes for the BMW 330e. Now we are in sport mode, and you can get up to 310 pound-feet of torque on acceleration. Check this out and listen up. So BMW is usually pretty modest with their 0 to 60 times. And I'd say this is faster than what they're posting. I would be pretty darn satisfied with this setup to drive every day. You have the power, you have the efficiency if you want it. 68 mpge, or mile per gallon equivalent, is what's posted on the Moonroof label or the MSRP sticker. I mean, the M340 is awesome. Yeah, sounds great, inline 6 B58, but this is definitely satisfying with all this extra boost available. Fast shifts through the 8-speed sport automatic, standard equipment, paddle shifters. Let's hear one more boost. Now we have it charging, and mostly your pictures of your BMW in this BMW curved display will be color keyed to what you have on your order, which is pretty cool. This is still an application where you can use the iDrive controller, and this is touchscreen as well. Heated steering wheel goes all the way around the wheel. Heated seats, of course, as well. And everything else is automatic, like your windshield wipers, your lights. You have blind spot monitoring. Now that's where I would sit and be comfortable in the driver's seat, so you're left with a good amount of space for rear passengers. If you like more space, we have the 5 Series that you can look at. But look at the controls for temperature, distribution, charging. Armrest with cup holders. And of course, as a pass-through. So you can take a foursome with you, have extra cargo slide through the middle if need be. Alright, so a quick look at your xDrive 2.0 liter 4-cylinder. Now you have a 4-year 50 bumper-to-bumper coverage for your manufacturer's warranty, and 3 years 36 is covered for your maintenance. Don't forget that when you look at your luxury brands. And the battery pack on the 330e is covered for 8 years, 80,000 miles. That is a feature within Comfort Access. I also love it because you can walk up to the car, let the car windows down just by holding the unlock button. So if you're new to BMW, you can do that. If you decide not to get in, all you do is put your finger here on the 3 Series. You'll feel ridges on the door handle, and it'll roll them up for you. Even close the moonroof if it goes open. So this one I have available is at BMW Crystal Lake. This runs a 57.2 list. I've got M Sport package on here, parking assistance, premium package, M Sport package Pro. So to me, this is almost like having the ultimate sleeper. You've got great fuel economy, up to 20 miles of electric power, pure electric power, and an insane amount of boost in case you want to turn on the sport in your luxury vehicle. I'm James Orton. Have a great day. Thanks for watching and safe travels.
You sing the right of gospel